wacky whistle.
Good morning, class. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of some creepy crawlies, bugs. We'll learn about where they live, what they eat, and how to stay safe around them.
Yay, I love bugs, but some of them can be scary.
That's true. Some bugs might seem scary, but most of them are harmless and even helpful to us. Today, we'll focus on a few types of bugs that we might encounter and how to be cautious around them. All right, class, let's talk about scorpions. These fascinating creatures are known for their distinctive appearance, including their segmented bodies, pincers, and of course their tail.
What's special about their tail, miss?
Great question. Scorpions have a long, segmented tail that curves over their back. At the end of their tail is a venomous stinger, which they use to defend themselves and capture prey.
That sounds scary.
It can be, but remember, scorpions usually only sting when they feel threatened or are trying to catch their next meal. By giving them space and respecting their territory, we can minimize the risk of getting stung.
Got it. I'll be careful around scorpions. Miss, what do they eat?
Good question. Scorpions are carnivorous, which means they eat other animals. They mainly feast on insects, spiders, and sometimes even small mice.
Miss, where can we find the scorpions?
These creatures are found in many places around the world, from deserts to forests. They like to hide under rocks or logs during the day and come out at night to hunt for food.
Wow, scorpions are really cool.
Now, let's learn about centipedes. These creepy crawlies can be found in forests, grasslands, and even deserts. They like damp places and often hide under rocks or in leaf litter.
What do they like to eat?
Centipedes are carnivorous predators, which means they eat other animals. They'll munch on insects, spiders, worms, and anything else they can catch with their powerful jaws.
Do they bite people?
Most centipedes aren't dangerous to humans, but some can give a painful bite. It's best to admire them from afar and avoid handling them.
Miss, can a centipede crawl into our ear?
The chances of centipedes crawling into someone's ear is very less. Our ears are well protected by the shape of the ear canal and the presence of earwax, which acts as a natural barrier against insects. Additionally, our bodies have natural reflexes to prevent foreign objects from entering our ears, such as the instinct to shake our heads or rub our ears when something feels off.
Thanks for clearing my doubt, miss.
No problem. Now let's talk about red ants, also known as fire ants. These little guys are commonly found in warm climates and build big colonies in the soil.
What's their favorite food?
Red ants are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. They'll chow down on insects, seeds, and even bits of plants.
Are they dangerous?
Yes, they can be. Red ants have a painful sting that can cause redness, swelling, and itching. So it's important to steer clear of their nests. While they can be a nuisance and pose a risk with their sting, they also play important roles in ecosystems as scavengers and predators of other insects. Now let's move on to spiders and tarantulas. These 8-legged creatures can be found almost everywhere, from forests to deserts. They build webs or burrows to catch prey and hide.
What do they like to eat?
Spiders and tarantulas are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. They feast on insects, small animals, and even other spiders that get caught in their webs.
Are they dangerous?
Most spiders and tarantulas aren't harmful to humans, but some spiders have venom that can cause mild to severe reactions if they bite. Tarantulas also have venom, but their bites are generally less potent and rarely pose a serious threat to humans. That's why it's important to give them space and not disturb their webs or burrows. While some people may find them intimidating or scary, they are an essential part of the natural world and deserve our respect and appreciation. Next up, let's talk about bees and wasps. These buzzing insects can be found in fields, meadows, and gardens, and they build nests out of paper or wax. Did you know that bees can make something really sweet?
Yes, miss, it's called honey.
Yes, Very good! Bees fly from flower to flower collecting sweet nectar. Then, they bring it back to their hive, where they turn it into honey. Honey is not only yummy to eat, but it's also full of good stuff that gives us energy and helps us stay healthy. Plus, bees are super important because they help flowers grow by spreading pollen from one flower to another.
Do they sting?
Yes, they do. Bees and wasps have stingers that they use to defend themselves or their nests. While most stings are painful but not dangerous, some people may have allergic reactions that require medical attention. Lastly, let's learn about beetles. These diverse insects can be found in almost every habitat on Earth, and they come in many shapes and sizes.
And what do they eat?
Beetles are omnivores, so they eat a variety of foods including plants, fungi, and other insects. Some are scavengers that feed on decaying matter, while others are predators that hunt for prey.
They look scary. Are they dangerous?
Most beetles are harmless to humans, but some can be pests that damage crops or infest homes. It's important to be aware of their habits and take measures to control their populations when necessary. So, well done, everyone! Today, we've learned so much about different types of bugs and how to stay safe around them. Remember, bugs are an important part of our ecosystem, and by understanding them better, we can appreciate their role in nature.
I never knew there were so many cool bugs out there.
That's right. There's still so much more to discover about the amazing world of insects. Keep asking questions, observing nature, and always remember to respect the creatures that share our planet with us.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.